Good afternoon, students. After exercise 3G, today I discuss with you the type of fractions. The type of fractions. So number one is like fraction. Like fraction. We know that the fraction has a two part. One is a numerator, another is a denominator. So the fraction with the same denominator are called like fraction. Fraction with the same denominator are called like fraction. For example, 1 by 8, 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 5 by 8 and 7 by 8 are called like fraction because 8s are the denominator and same in all the fraction. Number 2, unlike fraction. Just opposite, in like the same denominator and unlike with the different denominator. Suppose 5 by 7, 2 by 9, 4 by 11, 2 by 5. So denominators are different in unlike fraction and denominator are same in like fraction. Now next is unit fraction. Fraction having 1 as a numerator. In all fraction 1 is a numerator same. Suppose 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 11, 1 by 15 are called unit fraction. Unit means 1. Unit means 1. Unit means 1. Hello. 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 So next is proper fraction. Number 4 is proper fraction. Fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. Means when in the exam you got for 35 out of 40. In the same way, in which your numerator is less than your denominator, that type of fraction is called the proper fraction. That type of fraction is called proper fraction. Suppose 5 by 11, 3 by 7, 1 by 9, 6 by 13. So that fraction is called the proper fraction because here is numerator is less and the denominator is more. And the just opposite in set number 2b, 11 by 8, 7 by 5, 23 by 11, 15 by 13 and 14 by 14. Here numerator is more and denominator is less. Just opposite, denominator is less, is called the improper fraction. Is called improper fraction. In the shape where numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction. Where numerator is less than the denominator is called proper fraction and numerator is more than denominator is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. The last one is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. When an improper fraction is a combination of a whole number and a part of it is called mixed number or mixed fraction. Here is a three types number is there. One is a mixed, one is a improper fraction, another is a whole number at the side. In question number that 2, 1 by 5, the 2 is a whole number and 5 is a improper fraction. So now in the exam question will become, you have to convert the mixed into improper fraction. How you convert? Suppose 5, 1 by 7. So you multiply the divisor with 5 with the whole number and plus with this 1. Multiply the whole number 5 by 7 and add the numerator 1 to it. Then you get a improper fraction. But the denominator will be same. Conversion of improper fraction into a mixed fraction. Suppose 22 by 5 will be converted into a improper fraction. So how you converted 22? 22 divided by 5. So quotient is 4 and remainder is 2. So your answer is 5 whole number 4 and 2 in numerator. 2 by 5 and inside the 4. The denominator of the fraction remain the same in both the cases. In mixed fraction and improper fraction, the denominator is same. Now exercise 3H. Exercise 3H. Which of the following is a set of like fraction? What is the meaning of set? When more example is given, together the examples are called the set. So 1 by 7, 5 by 7, 3 by 7, 11 by 7. Question number 1. So this set is a like fraction because 7 is same as denominator. Number 2, 1 by 9, 2 by 8, 4 by 19, 7 by 8. It is not a like fraction. Number 3, 4 by 11, 5 by 8, 7 by 9, 1 by 6. It is also not a like fraction. Number 4, 2 by 15, 4 by 15, 11 by 15 and 7 by 15 are called like fraction because the denominator is same. Question number 2, B. My second question is that which of the following is set of unlike fraction? So 1 by 13, 13 by 15, 15 by 17 and 17 by 19. Here the denominator is different, so it is a set of unlike fraction. Second question, 4 by 11, 5 by 11, 8 by 11, 9 by 11. This is the set of like fraction, so it is not in that answer. Number 3, 5 by 16, 1 by 16, 7 by 16, 11 by 16. It is a set of like, but we want unlike fraction. 8 by 9, 1 by 7, 7 by 8, 8 by 11. It is a set of unlike fraction. C number question, which of the following is a proper fraction? Proper means numerator is small and denominator is bigger. So 5 by 11, 5 is small, 11 is bigger. 7 by 11, numerator fraction. 6 by 19, numerator fraction. 5 by 11, numerator fraction. There are many questions are there. I just select the answer and write in your copy. When you go through in your book, you can go through the rest questions. 23 by 5. Number 9, 5 by 9 are proper fractions. D number, which of the following are improper fraction? 15 by 16, 21 by 13, 28 by 15, 19 by 12 and 18 by 13 are improper fraction. Are improper fraction. Are improper fraction. Number E, which of the following are mixed number? 1, 5 by 4, 3, 2 by 3, 3, 3 by 5, 5, 4 by 9, 2, 11 by 15, 4, 3 by 7. So these are the mixed number because this number is called the whole number. This number is called the whole number because at the side. My question number F, convert the following into improper fraction. The number is in whole number. You have to the number in a mixed form. You have to convert into the improper fraction. What do you do? The number at the denominator you multiply with the whole number and plus with the numerator. 3 here is 3 multiply 3 plus 1. इसके साथ इसका रिलेशन है मल्टीप्लाई, इसके साथ इसका रिलेशन है प्लस. 3 into 3 plus 1, 10 by 3, 6, 1 by 2, 2 into 6 plus 1, 13 by 12, 13 by 2, 13 by 2, 7, 2 by 3, 3 into 7 plus 2, 21 plus 2, 23 by 2, 8, 4 by 9, 9 into 4, 8 plus 4, 72 plus 4, 76 by 9. Now the number in improper fraction you have to convert into the mixed fraction. 10 by 9. What do? You have to divide 10 by 9. So when you divide 9 ones are 9, your quantient is 1. This is your quantient and this is your remainder is 1. So how you write? Divisor, quantient in a whole number place and remainder in the numerator. That is the simplest formula you understand. So divided by 9, here D is 9, quantient 1, remainder 1. So 9 into 1, 9 plus 1, 10 by 9. Your answer is 10 by 9. 19 by 5. 5 divided by 19, 5 3s are 15, 4. 4 is the remainder, 3 is the quotient. 3 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. 5 3 is the 15 plus 4, 19 by 5. 21 by 8, 8 1 is the 8, 8 2 is the 16. 5 is the remainder. So 8, 2 is the whole number and 5 is numerator. That is 21 by 8. Chapter is over. So in book there is a definition of like fraction, unlike, unit, proper, improper. You can go home, learn all the definition. There are lots of questions in your textbooks, but I can go through 3 and 4 questions in each question number. But rest of the question you can do at home. So now in page number 49, there is a set of question from chapter 1 to 3, the revised set of question from A to L. Chapter A, the addition, chapter A, the numbers chapter, chapter B, chapter 2 is a Roman chapter, and chapter 3 here is a fraction chapter. So above the 3 chapter we can get some maths, the solution of paper, test paper. I will give you the 3 days time, Sunday, Monday and Tuesday. Within 3 days you can solve this set of question paper in your maths copy. Okay, you can solve all the question paper in your maths copy within Tuesday. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 questions are there. Okay.